right, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on the time zone, wherever you are watching me from in all over the world. Today is another special day here in Lagos State, Nigeria. So I want to embark on a coastal road tour from Abraham Adesanya, Okun. So I'm going to take you on the drone footage from Abraham Adesanya, Okun, down to Monastery Road in Edo and down to Akete, so that I can see how far they've gone. I can see massive development ongoing on the coastal highway. And before I go further, I want to really appreciate our great Minister of Works and the great #1 citizen of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for this great initiative. Really appreciate you. We want to encourage you to do more for us as a citizens, to help us to fix the major road on the Nigeria's highway. So we really appreciate this a great coastal highway. You can see the work ongoing right here on the coastal highway. So I would like to please stay tuned and watch to the end, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments. Let's hear from you. So what do you think about this coastal highway, and what do you think about the cost per kilometer of this coastal highway? Is it worth it, or is it above the amount they gave us, or is it below the amount they gave us per kilometer, based on what Minister for Works says 7.5 billion on per kilometer on this construction work of a coastal highway? So I would like to hear your opinion about the amount spent for this coastal highway. So let's hear from you. What's your opinion? What's your comment about this great work? We know that this is a great work because it's going to open up a lot of economic activities to connect different parts of region in this nation, Nigeria. I really commend our president. I really appreciate Minister for Work for this great supervision of this coastal highway. So thank you so much. So please stay tuned as we embark on the road of Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway via road footage, and we are going to drive along as well. So let's go. Okay, you are welcome back. So this is Abraham Adesanya Ogombo Road. If you are familiar with this road, you understand this road very well. So this junction, turning to the right, is going to Okun, right, and straight like this going to Ogombo Road, and over there, that's a Charterhouse London School that you are looking at over there. And right here is a syndicated view estate that we are selling duplexes and apartments right here by this Ogombo and Okun Junction. This is the estate. We still have the few units of duplexes available for sale and the apartment for sale inside this estate. So like I said, I'm going to take you on a drone footage down from here to Akete. I'm going to make it very short. So this is the way to Okun, and we are going to connect to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and from there we'll drive down to Akete. You can see massive work ongoing at Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. Also opposite Charterhouse London School, we have another house for sale opposite there, facing the Ogombo Road, Citadel Oasis. So we have apartment and the duplexes for sale over there. So you can buy as many units there to use for short let or for investment purpose, because the way properties are appreciating in this area now is massive. It's massive. I could remember 3 years ago, we have property just beside this Citadel view that we are looking at now, sold for 35 million naira, 40 million naira. But today now, a plot in this area now selling for 80 and 100 and thereabouts, 100 million naira, not 100,000, 100 million naira. So I would like to please stay tuned, take your coffee, let's enjoy this trip together. So that's why I decided today to take you on a drone footage. You can see the beautiful view of this Okun and the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and see the massive work ongoing along this axis right now. Some people that bought property years ago around this area now, so they are enjoying massive great returns right now, based on the massive development ongoing in this region, and the government presence in this location, coupled with Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. A lot is happening in this location right now. A lot is happening. You can see how everywhere is open up very, very fast in this location. A few years ago, everywhere was like bush, not like all this area that you can see you can see houses now. Everywhere was like bush, not like houses around this area. But today now, based on developments, Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, mass work is ongoing rapidly right here. So we are connecting Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway now from Ibom Adesanya down to Okun Ajah and Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So if you remember the last time that President Bola Tinubu came to Lagos to commission the 30 kilometers of Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway from Eco Atlantic Victoria Island down to Okun Ajah. This is the Okun Ajah Junction. This is the location. This is the Okun Ajah Junction. And this area at Okun Ajah is where we have a different private beach resorts. So this is where we have a different private beach resorts right here at Okun Ajah. Or there's a Timeless Beach, Barracuda Beach, and so on and so forth. So this is where we have them. So this is Okun Ajah Junction, and going back like this is going to Via, like I mentioned, going to Via, and straight down now is going to Akete and going down to Eleko, going to Refinery and going down to the east and different parts of the country. So this is 6th lane of Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and I want to hear from you. I want to hear your comments. I want you to drop your comments. What do you think about the cost per kilometer spent on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway? What do you think about it? So drop your comment on the chat box, because Minister of Works said that they spent 7.5 billion per kilometer on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So do you think that it's worth it, or it's above it, or below the 7.5 billion per kilometer? So look at the tractors on site. I mean, look at the tractors. You can see them, they're really working very fast on this project, because ever since they started this project, the work is going on very fast on this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. And I want to really commend our president once again, because this is a great project. This is a great project, and it's going to open up a lot of economic businesses to connect different states in Nigeria. But we still want to plead with our president and the Minister for Works to please try to help us to fix the major road, or the major federal road that connects different states, to help us to fix it, so that I can drive freely and drive safely on our highway, just like this coastal highway now. Because by the time they finish this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway now, oh my god, from Lagos to Calabar is going to be like 5 hours or 6 hours. Because look at the road now. This is a concrete road. Do you remember this estate? Oh my god, look at this our estate. This is Meridian, this Paragon estate. This estate, before the sales closed on this property, a plot was sold for 90 million naira. 90 million naira before the sales closed. That was late last year. The sales closed on it for 90 million naira. You can see now it's facing the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. All our clients that bought property there, oh my god, and they bought it 30 million naira a few years ago. Just imagine the massive ROI that they enjoy right now, and they haven't seen anything yet, because by the time they finish this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, all the properties in this area now is going to appreciate exponentially. They are really working very fast on this project. If you go to Eleko Axis area and going towards Odiomi, oh my god, you see massive work that they are doing over there. They are really working very fast on this project. So I won't make this video, I won't make it long. I'm going to make it short so that you can enjoy it and see. So I'm still going to take the next phase and take it down to Eko Akete. So this is Monastery Road access area. So from this junction down is going to Monastery Road, going to Songote Edo, I mean on Novara Mall Shop, right? And connecting Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Look at the beach over there. All this area, this is where we have a metro bay, and some of these are estate that was sold around this area. And also, in case you want to buy any property along this or Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, please make sure that you do your proper due diligence, and make sure that the estate have enough setback from the highway between 120 meter away from the highway. So make sure that there's enough setback so that you won't have any issue with federal government or state government, right? That's very, very important. That's a monastery that you're looking at. Okay, look at this estate very close by to Coastal Highway, this particular estate here. So we are selling this estate, selling for 55 million naira now. And last month, or a few weeks ago, it was selling for 40 million naira, but today now selling for 55 million naira, facing this Monastery Road, and just a walkable distance from Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So thank you so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. I'm going to end it here, and I'm going to take it from this junction down to Eko Akete, because I don't want it to be too long. Like I said, I'm going to make it very short so that I can enjoy the trip. So this is from here now, from this junction, this monastery, I will take it down to Eko Akete. Thank you so much once again for watching to the very end. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below, and put on the bell notification. If you like what I do, please try to subscribe, put on the bell notification so that I'll be the first to notify whenever I come up with all this tour on Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway and other of our property in Lagos State and outside Lagos State, Nigeria. Thank you so much. God bless you.